The case shared this time is the aerospace application of the hermetic sealing welding of this one. This is a stainless steel valve shear. The material is the stainless steel, and according to the customer's inquiry, we need to finish the hermetic sealing welding of two sides. To ensure the welding effect, we use our glovebox laser welding machine to complete this test. The test sample was purified in the transition chamber and entered the glovebox. The test work was complete in an inert gas environment without water and oxygen content. Okay, now we can check the welding effect. You can see that on the microscope, we can see that the welding effect is very good. The welding seam is very flat, smooth, without any cracks. Okay, now the test is finished. If you guys are interested in this video or you feel have the same problem about the welding project, please kindly click the like button and leave your comment here. See you later.